Hey y'all, so today I am going to show you how I achieved this braid out using perm rods. So if you're interested in seeing the results, just keep watching. So I'm starting today's look off from a failed wash and go that I attempted a day ago. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spritz my hair with water, separate my hair into 4 sections, and continue on with styling my hair. So using perm rods at the end of your hair is really good for people that are struggling with heat damage and you just need a way to disguise it. Perm rods are like the perfect go-to tool to use to disguise that heat damage. Or if you have weak ends that just don't curl like you would like, that's another reason to use perm rods if you plan to get that bouncy, voluminous look. So yeah. So a really good way to avoid frizz is by using a oil of your choice to the palm of your hand. So you basically would just drop a few drops of the oil of your choice in the palm of your hand. Rub your hands together to warm up that oil and make sure you get it on your fingertips as well. And just proceed to take down your braids or a twist, whatever your style of choice is. But using oil is the best way to prevent frizz. I'm telling y'all, I've seen it, I've done it. I've learned from it. Use your oil. It helps with the takedown and to prevent frizz. So the next step would be to separate your hair the way that it naturally wants to separate itself. So that just means when you finger through your hair to start the separation process, your hair typically attempts to separate through that process of fingering through your hair, if that makes sense. So just don't go against the grain of your hair natural separation. Just go with it. And that also will help cut down and eliminate frizz. So if you haven't noticed by now, I use a ton of oil on my hair, and that's just because I need it, and it helps with the separation process. Not only that, but my hair is thicker, so it would just, using a lot of oil doesn't bother my hair, not one bit. But if your hair is on the finer side, don't use as much oil. So me personally, I don't really separate too much on day one of doing my hair. That's just me. And that's really because my hair tends to expand as the days go on. So by day 2, 3, 4, if I can make it that far, it's pretty big. So I don't want to separate too much. But you're more than welcome to separate as much as you like, based off your preference. So yeah, there's no rules to this. And also, I am choosing to fluff with a wide tooth comb. I don't know where my pick is, but you can also do it with a pick. If not, use a wide tooth comb like I am, and you'll just fluff and pick it out as much as you can, but not too much, again, because your hair will expand like with the days to come. So yeah, don't do too much, but just do just enough, if that makes sense. I hope it makes sense. So for this part, I am smoothing my hair down, my edges actually, down with a product called beeswax. Well, not beeswax, it's called edge wax, but it's from the beeswax line. Anywho, it's in like a yellow and black bottle or container. Basically, I smooth my edges down with this wax, and I use a rat tail comb to smooth it even further. I don't do the designs on the edges or anything like that. It's just not me. I'm pretty simple with this. So yeah, but you're more than welcome to do any designs that you choose to. It's my personal preference. I just don't do it. So yeah. So yes, we are going to continue to fluff, and afterwards just throw some earrings on and call it a day. Simplicity is my middle name. Not really, but I'm very simple. I don't do much, so yeah. Anywho, I want to thank you all for staying here and watching my video for as long as you have. I thank you so much. And if you're not already a subscriber, please just check the little box below that says subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell right next to it. It's on your right, it's a little ding dong, little bell. And also like my video if you enjoyed what you saw, and if you're gonna try this look, comment below and tell me that also, and tag me in your pictures on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Just tag me in it, because I would love to see how your braid out using perm rods turn out. So yeah, I thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Until next time, bye.